It's Truck Month at Courtesy Chevrolet of Phoenix. Make the 2021 Chevy Tahoe your own with a $1,000 accessory allowance when you purchase or lease. Tahoe continues to find new ways to put your comfort and convenience first. The spacious cabin has been reimagined to be roomier and more open, while innovative enhancements like an available power sliding center console let you configure the space to your needs. Take advantage of this exceptional Truck Month offer with a 2021 Chevy Tahoe today. Courtesy Chevrolet is your no dealer ad stop. Our dealer ads are free. Window tint, GPS device, nitrogen, and a free 3-day exchange policy on all our new Chevrolets in stock. We are here to exceed your expectations, deliver the best service possible, and make car shopping fun again. Visit us on Camelback Road and 12th Street, or visit us online at courtesychev.com.